Hello everybody, it's Cranky here. So following on from my previous video, this is the second master lock within the auction that I won. So this is a master lock 3. Lifetime limited warranty, 5 on their scale. Again, probably on ours, maybe a 1 if we're generous. So what we're saying, same stuff again really, hardened steel shackle, reinforced laminated steel body, ball bearing locking mechanism, so a little bit of an upgrade, and precision pin tumbler mechanism, and limited lifetime warranty, whatever that entails. And again, assembled in Mexico. So, let's get this one open and see what happens. See if I can get into it. So it's been a bit hit and miss at the moment with the lock, so let's see if I can do this one. It's all practice at the end of the day. Not every lock pops open. You do have to practice. Right, let's have a look at this. So that's the bitting as such. So let's see what this is like. Bit grabby. Bit grabby there. That's a bit of a plug for my new challenge lock I've done. Nasty up top. So look. I assume these have been in the packet a while. Probably hence the good price even for master locks, but all the gunk is gunkified. That's a scientific term there. Keep it shut. Let's get a spray. Try and help me a little bit. That's the wrong spray, so that's going to help. Let's try the proper one. Bit WD-40. I know opinion varies, but that's mine. We don't really get Houdini over here. So let's have a look. At least it's turning. Oh, sorry. Oh, God, let's have a go. I haven't got high hopes for this one, but you never know. Here we go. I'm going in. Oh. 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 Don't think this pick's gonna... Oh, bit of a crack. Don't know if that's the lock on my pick. No. Oh, it's so stiff. Crack. Yeah. Let's try this one up front. There's one just behind the... Okay. Yes. Oh, I thought you were going to beat me then. Thought I'm not having a master lock beat me. Oh, I'm touching it. So there we are. That's a very gunkified master lock number 3. Right. Thank you, everybody. The next one will be the last one that I got. A master lock number 5. Something to look forward to. Right. Thank you, everybody. Take care, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.